Hello dear student, in this video we will learn troubleshooting concept for printer problems. So troubleshooting means finding out the computer errors, which device is giving error, and sort out the problem and give the solution for that particular problem. So according to that, there are different problems. It may be with your keyboard, mouse, it may be with your printers, scanners, external peripheral devices, maybe with your hard disk or your RAM. So one of that, it is about the printer. So sometimes what happen, you are taking a printout and you are not able to take a print. There may be a paper jam case, or it shows that printer cannot find, or it may be it will not print, just it is giving a pending instruction. So if such error occurs, such problems occur, then what to do? We have to find out the cause first of all, and cause behind this problem, and what will be the solution for this problem. So we will see some cases, some few cases that you might have came across these cases. The first case is that printer will not print. So it will not print. You have sent one document for the printing, and just you are in a waiting mode, and it is not printing at all. So which are the different cases there? Which are the different causes there? So one cause may be printer is not turned on and online. So if you are connected within a LAN network, or through the internet you are taking a printout, and it is not connected, not internet connection there, even the printer is not turned on, that may be the case. That's why printer will not print any print pages. So solution, what will be the solution? Turn on the printer first of all. Make sure that whether it is in a networking or not, whether it is in a online or not. So that we have to ensure, and this is a solution for this cause. If suppose printer is turned on, it is even in the network, still it is giving an error. So what can be the cause? There may be the second possibility, that the printer drivers that has been installed, these are not the correct printer drivers. So we are having the name of the printer, for example Canon printer, you have, and you are installing the driver of any another type or any another brand, then it will not suit for that particular printer. So that is not any unique at all. Every driver printer, that printer driver, it is for particular devices, their own company devices. So according to that we have to install. So ensure that whether it is correct or not. If it is not correct, then install the correct printer driver that is suitable for your printer. Third one may be that if you are on a network, third cause, and you may not have made the connection to the printer. So you are connecting that printer to the LAN, local area network, and you might find that this printer is not connected to the LAN. Then it will not print. So in that case, make a proper network. This printer and your machine should be in a one network. Then you can take a printout. So make the proper connections and make a single network for that particular printer and all the machines. So problem we have seen, that is printer will not print. Which are the different cases, causes behind that printer will not print, and how to deal with it. First we have seen that printer is not turned on, then turn on the printer. Second case may be that driver it is a wrong one, then install the correct driver. Third, maybe it is in a network, but that pin, that is a Cat6 cable, Cat5, Cat6 cable, you haven't connected it. So that is not in a network. Then make a proper network, whether that may be a physical network through cable connection, or it may be a Wi-Fi network. So find out the proper network and connect it. Another thing is that printer may have failed, it's having its own error. Then first of all, run the printer and apply the self-test on the printer, whether it is running properly or not, and then you can take the print from the printer. So this is the first problem. Second problem, printer will not turn on. There may be the cases that you cannot switch on or power on that particular printer. So what can be the cause? Cause is that the cable is not connected properly, power cable connected which is not properly, then that's why it will not turn on. So reconnect, just remove all the cables first of all, and again try to reconnect the cables, all cables, and then check the power cord and the electrical outlet. Third problem is that printer prints garbled information. So you have given, suppose, your document, one of your assignment, and it is printing something else which is you haven't sent as in a print, and it's just like a garbage information. So what to do for that? So see that whether the printer driver, correct printer driver is installed for that particular version and the brand or not. If it is not installed, then install it. So that can be one of the cause. That's why it is printing garbage information. The cables may not be connected properly. If your cables are not connected properly, then connect it, reconnect it. Printer memory may be overloaded. Your printer memory, that whatever you are taking print out, you send for the print, it will be stored in the form of a queue, printer queue. So queue concept you have learned in data structure. So queue, so this every document will be stored in that queue one after another. And if that memory it is overloaded, so many documents has been pending over there, so it will burden that printer, and that may be the one of the cause. That's why it is printing garbage information. Then reset the printer, turn off it for some time, for 1 minute usually, and then again turn on, and then resume the printing. Third is that printer it is showing offline, or it is not printing. So there may be the no pages, may be out of paper. So check for the paper. If no any paper, it is in the paper tray, then refill it and then select online. Then that will be, printer will be available. So these are some few cases there, and that you can solve it. So 4 of the cases has been taken, that printer is not printing, it is not turned on, it is printing garbage information, it is offline. Another error is that paper jam out. Then just you have to remove that printer case, then remove that printer which is stuck over there, and then again restart your printer, and they can take a printout. So as per the symptoms, problems, find out the cause, what can be the different causes you should know, and then according to the causes you can take a proper action, proper solution for that. So this is about the troubleshooting printer problems. So in next video we will see the next troubleshooting of keyboard and the mouse. Now we will stop here, and thank you.